my channel. I know it's been a little while, but I'm now back recording for you guys. And this video today is going to be a versus video. I'm going to be comparing the Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel with the Spiked Honey Mousse to see which one I prefer and which one gives you the best result overall from a wash and go. So make sure you stay tuned to see the results. Okay, so I've just wet my hair in the shower and I'm just going to divide it before I apply my leave-in, which is going to be the Camille Rose Curl Moisture Milk. I'm going to use this on both sides. I always like to make sure I brush through my leave-in just because I feel like it distributes the product better, and it just like, this brush is really good for kind of defining my curls. It's from Tangle Teaser. So on this side, first side, I'm going to use the Curl Maker. Okay, that's this side done. Now onto this side. Okay, now on this side I'm going to be using the Spiked Honey Mousse. This smells absolutely amazing. I found this really weird because it kind of like expands in my hair, almost. Like it feels kind of like almost shampoo-y, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the definition is brazy on this side. Okay, so that's both sides applied, and here is what it's looking like. So this is the curl maker and this is the mousse. At the minute it's kind of like, this side looks a little bit more defined to me than this one, but we'll see when it is all fully dry. So see you in a few hours.
5 hours later. Okay,
so my hair is now dry, and yeah, as you can see, this side's got slightly more volume than this side. The definition on this side with the gel is definitely a little bit more than the definition on the side with the mousse. The mousse hasn't really given me like a strong hold. It's done a really nice job with the front here, but in terms of like the back, where my hair's a little bit more curly and afro, like there's not much curl definition. Whereas this side, it's kind of held the curls a little bit better. So yeah, I definitely, personally for me, I prefer a little bit more hold and a little bit more curl definition, so this side is my favourite. I'll probably use the mousse if I was doing like a twist out or a braid out or something like that, but for a wash and go, defo gel is the way to go. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There'll be more content coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye.